So hello, today's my data set is iris data set. Iris data set is typically machine learning classification problem. There are three species of iris flower. When a new flower is given, we need to predict it below in which type. So here it is iris versicolor, iris setosa, and iris vaginicia. So now first of all, I'll do some extracting feature for some numerical and measurement method. So I imported this types library, pandas, numpy, matplot, libpyplot for if some visualization, seaborn also visualization, train test split method for training, and I use here especially logistic regression. And in logistic regression I use metrics. I can find classification report, accuracy score, confusion matrix. Then I also import warning here. If there's some type of warning, it will ignore it. Now I'll do some basic data exploration and EDA, that is exploratory data and analysis. Here I just use iris data pd.read csv. This format is read all the csv file format. Then I use head here to show the top 5 raw data, and you will see that this is the top 5 raw data, and this is the tail of data, and this is data info, and this is a describe, iris describe. Here you see some value counts. Here I'm finding there's any missing value present or not. Now I just use a data visualization where I use a pair plot. From pair plot I can see this. So here some it will loading and take some time, and you will see this type of graphs. And from my observation, according to this visualization, we can say that setosa is well separated from two respective flowers. Setosa like this blue, it is separated from two respective flower as you see in the screen. And according, iris virginia is the longest in sepal width. Iris virginia sepal width, iris vagina like this green, it is longest in sepal width, and setosa is shortest. So I use count plot for all the three species and compare with each other with species, and you will see that same for I will also run this. I will run all, and you will see this. I will calculate all the columns with my species, that it show me the comparison. Same for this, same for this, it will show me the comparison. Now I'm using here model. Now I'm doing a model training, and I giving iris setosa 0, iris vascular to 1, and iris virginia 2. And here I use this are data columns. I just use iris x training set to the this all, and in y I use species. Then I plot some label between each species. You see here some logical graph, and after I use the train split method, then I use the logistic regression method, then I use prediction is equal to model predicts x test, and then I do classic reputation y test prediction, and then last I use accuracy score method. Thank you. This is my first task of iris data set.